welcome to Mishy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making some funky frittatas. But before we start cooking, we are going to have to follow up 3 rules, which is washing our hands before we start cooking, wearing an apron to protect ourselves from the messes, and always asking an adult to help us when we are using the knives, the stove, or the oven. So let's go wash our hands. Okay, so our ingredients for our funky frittata is a chicken frankfurters, bell peppers. You can use any color, but I use red and green. Black pepper, salt, and chicken stock seasoned. Then we've got eggs, and then we've got fried plantain, tomatoes and onions. So now we are going to fry our onions. Okay, now we have to drizzle some oil onto our pan. So the oil will be approximately 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we're going to put our onions into the pan. And we're going to mix them. So we've left this for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add our tomato. And then we're going to mix them. We're going to leave this for for 2 to 3 minutes. While we do that, we're going to add our seasonings. First, we start with our salt. It adds the season to your taste. Okay, so we're going to add half of our seasoning so that we can add it to our egg. So let's mix it together. After that, we're going to add our chicken frankfurters. We're going to mix for a few seconds. And now we can leave that and start with our egg. So we're going to whisk our egg and then we'll add the rest of our seasoning. Okay, now we're going to add our seasoning to our egg. We're just going to do it bit by bit. Okay, so I've whisked and it's ready now, but before we start adding anything else, we need to tidy up our workspace. Okay, now we need to turn our gas off to the lowest heat on your stove. But I'm going to put this in a bigger pan because this pan is too small. Before we do that, we're going to drizzle the oil onto our pan. And we're just going to brush it up until the middle since this is a very big pot. Okay, so now we're going to add, put our chicken frankfurters, tomato and onion into our big pot. Okay, so now I'm going to add the egg to our mixture. After that, we're going to add our peppers. And now we can mix them together. Okay, now we're going to add our plantain as our topping, and we're going to spread it around our this in a spiral way, like how you add a pepperoni pizza. So let's go do that. Okay, so now that we have put our plantain like this, we are going to set it to the lowest and cover it. This can either be done by the oven or the stove, but we prefer to use the stove. So we're going to put our lid on it. And now we can wait until it's ready. So let's go take a look and see if it's ready. So when it's solid and hard and very yellow and bright, you know that it is ready. So we put the frittata onto the plate. As you can see, it looks delicious. With all of the colors, you got yellow and then you got the bell peppers. So we're just going to cut it so that the egg can come in and so we can eat it and be ready. So it's not too hot.
Hold on, this plate.
So now we're putting a piece of frittata onto our plate, and as you can see, it's still hot, but it looks delicious. Okay, so I'm going to have a little taste of our new frittata. Just so you know, once you take it out of the stove or the oven, you need to wait a bit because it might be hot and you might burn yourself. So let's have a quick taste. This frittata is delicious and I really like it. I hope that you guys love it too. Okay, please like and subscribe if you like this video and like my frittata. I'll see you next time on Mishy's Kitchen.